Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. Check out this sick sweatshirt I'm wearing. I've actually had this for a long time. I want to say like a year. It had a couple stains on it, and then I just decided to bleach it. I actually bleached it today. It's a Cleveland, who are these? Cleveland Browns. It's a football team. I freaking hate football. Not a football fan at all. I love Jimmy Garoppolo though. He's my favorite. I actually got a new debit card with his face on it. I showed it to my husband. He's like, he knows my obsession with Jimmy Garoppolo. Anyway, football, yay. No, I'm a basketball fan. Give me basketball all day, every day. Anyway, had this sweatshirt. It's vintage and it had a couple stains on it and I decided to bleach it. And this is how it came out. You can still see one of the stains right here, but it's not as noticeable as it was. But this is for sale in my Poshmark closet if you guys are interested. Did you know that there is supposed to be a shipping increase for Poshmark? Yes, they actually announced it today when I'm filming this. Today is February 23rd. 3 days till my birthday, guys. 3 days till my birthday. I'm really excited because we're doing like a full day of sourcing. My mother-in-law is going to watch the kids. It's going to be so much fun. So the current shipping rate is $7.45. It is going up to $7.67. I don't think it's that big of a deal. It happens every year around this time. Mercari shipping already went up. It happens every year. There's really nothing you can do about it. You just kind of got to deal with it. It's kind of like gas prices. Like, yes, it sucks that gas is going up, but what are you going to do? Are you going to not drive your car? I mean, some people probably can do that. Some people probably can, I don't know, maybe take like public transportation or, you know, like a bike or something to work, but I can't do that. I need my car because of where I live. So yeah, the change is effective. I don't know when it's effective. There's nothing you can do about it. You just kind of got to deal with it. Next question, how far do you travel to thrift? So there aren't any thrift stores super close to me. Like, I get really jealous when I see people on YouTube. They're like, oh, I'm gonna go to this thrift. It's 20 minutes away. Oh, and they act like that's such a far away distance. And I'm like, that's I would love to have a thrift store 20 minutes away from me. Well, I kind of do. Okay, I do have one that's like maybe 30 minutes away from me. That's probably my closest thrift store. But yeah, we travel, me and my husband will travel like a couple hours, like 3 at the most. Yeah, so when we go sourcing this weekend, we're going to be traveling like 2.5 hours, maybe 3, because we live in the middle of nowhere. Next question. Thank you so much for calling out toxic people in this community. Question is, do you think it's wrong to follow resellers and take tips from them? No, I don't think. No. So thank you for acknowledging that I call out toxic people and I'm not just calling out people to call out people. You guys, I got a comment the other day from this woman and she's like, your new nickname is the purple-haired mean girl. I'm like, that's what I hate. Like, I hate it when people twist shit around and say that, like, I'm the mean one. It's like, no. I'm not just calling out random people for nothing. I'm calling out people that have been warranted to be called out. They have done something wrong. I don't know. Some people just can't get that through their heads, I guess. I don't know. They just think that it's mean. Like, is it really mean to call out people that have done something fucked up? No, it's mean to call out people that don't deserve it. That people, just like a random person, like Joe Schmo walking down the road. He hasn't done anything to me. I'm going to be like, you asshole. Like, no, that's mean. But if you've done something to warrant being called out, then yes. And that doesn't make me mean. Okay, that doesn't make me mean. But to answer your question, I don't think it's wrong to follow resellers and take tips from them. I think what's frustrating is you got to be careful who you take tips from and who you follow and who you give your digital currency to, aka like your YouTube views. It's hard to find the right people to follow. And don't get me wrong, there are a lot of great people in this community. There are a shit ton of people that I follow. There are also a lot of toxic people as well. So I think the hard part is like finding out who those people are. Well, I don't think it's wrong to follow people and take tips from them. No. Last question, because I'm rambling. What are we at here? What are the minutes? Okay. Hi, Vanessa. I just wanted to say that I love your videos so much and I always learn something new. I love hearing that. I would like to know, have you ever had a no sales day? It seems like all of the big resellers sell at least one thing every day. If somebody says that they've never had a no sales day, they're lying. That's bullshit. Rally Roots actually made a video, I think like a week or two ago, and they said that they had a no sales day. Everyone has them. Everyone has really bad days. I've had a bunch of no sales days, and I'm not ashamed to admit that because it happens. Not every day is going to be amazing. And if you come across a reseller that's like, oh yeah, I sell a shit ton of shit every day, like don't fall for that shit, because that's not like, no, I wouldn't believe them. But yes, to answer your question, I have had no sales days. If you have had no sales days, don't get discouraged. It happens to everyone. So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much. I just cracked my neck. I didn't even like move it that much. I was just kind of like, that didn't feel good. What was I saying? Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.